ano ba yung mga ibig sabihin muna ng lifetime, di ba? Kasi may nakausap akong tiga-ahensya, sabi niya, Pat P, sa advertising, when they say lifetime, it's actually just 2 years. It's not perpetuity.
So
It's
marketing term lang siya?
Oo, term lang. It's an advertising term. That's why I wanted to ask
Right.
Attorney Mickey, is it really a lifetime in advertising? It's just 2 years?
I'm not that familiar with advertising speak, but in
Oo.
terms of legal, when you say lifetime, it's lifetime.
Okay.
For example, may sports contract si LeBron James with Nike, which is a lifetime contract. It's really his lifetime until he dies, right?
Oh, okay.
Saka, for the layman, for the layman like Heidelin Diaz, pag sabihin sa kanya na lifetime, pagkakaintindi na lahat ng tao lifetime until she dies. So
hanggang
that's how
hanggang
it's
matigok,
understood.
hanggang mamatay.
Yes.
Oo.
Madeds.
Oo. So okay. So let's take off from Heidelin's her case study. Na natin. Saan diyan nagkaroon ng confusion ba? May pagkukulang ba si Heidelin or management niya or mismo sa sa Phoenix, no, yung kumpanya na nag-sponsor sa kanya?
Well, judging based lang on all the public statements coming out, because I'm not naman privy to what actually happened in the boardroom and when they were talking about.
Oo.
I don't think may pagkukulang naman in the side of our Olympian, because sinabi sa kanya lifetime, tapos tinanggap naman niya. And it seems, according to at least what her manager, si Noel Ferrer, said, wala namang condition on brand alignment na sinabi sa kanya when they said na lifetime donation.
Oo.
So, I don't think there was anything lacking on the part of Heidelin if she got a different endorsement with a different fuel provider, because that's her prerogative naman.
So, sa exclusivity contract, ano?
Oh, so hindi
wala
siya
naman.
exclusive.
Yeah.
So dapat pinatuloy pa rin ng Phoenix regardless of whether, let's say she signed up, let's say with Shell, na alam natin direct competitor yan ng Phoenix. Okay lang ba 'yon?
Well, yung question kung okay lang ba yun would all depend talaga kung may conditions na binigay nung sinabi yung donation, nung sinabi yung lifetime free fuel arrangement nila. Pero mukha namang walang sinabi. Right? It seems like it was a no strings attached kind of arrangement. At least yun yung sinabi ng manager ni Heidelin. So, kung no strings attached, there's no exclusivity there, then there are no really any conditions. But again, we don't know if there was anything talaga.
Kung may kontrata ba talaga in the first place?
But at least the way it was said publicly, wala namang nakalagay doon. Diba?